videos, ain't he? Nobody wants to watch your videos, dude.
I mean, how can you hear people with that shit?
The back of his phone.
I can't stand that.
I mean, I like music, but damn.
We're gonna mute you. I
I
guess
got a list of music. He sure is doing good. That's
He's making videos, ain't he? Nobody wants to watch your videos, dude.
don't mind Forrest Gump. He's just hating on the music.
Don't mind me. Maybe one
Same.
day we'll become best friends.
I don't even hear no music.
Struggling. You have those days.
Engage and destroy the enemy. All of them.
You know, I'm not saying like nothing's special, right? But I could play better than I've been playing. Come on. Because obviously I can't aim. Go
Secure the lead.
here. Remove that.
The enemy's taking the lead.
I adjusted my settings and I honestly don't like it. I put it on. One of my friends was talking about like adjusting the vertical sensitivity and the horizontal like displacement to make it feel like older Call of Duty. He said I don't like it. I got used to like, and it's just, I don't know, it's tweaking out on me.
We have taken the lead. Hostile mosquito is online.
11 and then go up 2. I like my horizontal faster. Battlefield ping, not called.
Friendly UAV online.
I do not feel confident with this whatsoever.
We have taken the lead.
All right, catching up.
Maintain the lead.
This compound bow is a freaking hack. I mean, I don't care who you are. It's kind of like, it's one of the most OP things in this game.
You're halfway to mission complete. Finish it.
Target marked. Request fire mission. Solid copy.
Double kill.
Unloading. Trophy system destroyed. Stun incoming. Requesting close air.
Copy. Vulture 6-1. Inbound for bombing.
Unloading.
There we go.
Air support.
B.
Took a shot.
Stay alive. Come on. Good, bro. It's better if you don't with this compound bow. Just because I can't decide what I want to use. Just thinking about throwing knives, you know, you're just gonna have to
Mosquito active.
forget that you don't have them anymore.
Friendly deployed.
Well, I definitely freaking can't believe that.
30 seconds remain.
Come on.
Look out! Stun grenade!
10 seconds remaining.
Come on, let's get the last kill. Last kill.
I'm reloading!
Last kill. Oh no! Come on!